didn't get it on video, but he was on a little sniff break. We saw a dog coming up. We started making distance. We got to be, I don't know, 20 feet from the corner. Dog got closer, did a little bit of movement, some let's go work, just kept kind of walking. Dog was non-reactive, but was kind of pulling to go see us. Sully did great, and then dog passed. He didn't react at all. He did try and do a little bit of inappropriate display marking, but that's okay. A little bit of hard time passing a person. Other than that, just non-reactive. There was a whine with that dog specifically, and the whine kind of was like, I want to go say hi, but I'm frustrated that I can't go say hi on that. So there was no aggression in there, but just like, oh, I'm mad that I can't go. So that was a good sign on his part. It's kind of looking towards like, you know, he wanted to say hi to that dog, but he's selective with other dogs. But other than that, he's generally doing pretty good. He is figuring out that if I release him to go sniff, he's doing like a little fake sniff. And if he does the fake sniff, then we'll keep walking forward. So, you know, he's figuring out the game a little bit. Sully, okay, heel. Good boy. Sully, sit. Good. Okay, go sniff. Sully, go sniff. Good boy. Good job, dude. Sully, slow. Good. Heel. Good boy. Sully, sit. Okay, go sniff. Sully, okay, heel. Nope, heel. Nope, heel. Good boy. Nope, heel. Good. Good. He's getting a little wild up because we only came over here the once. So take it short burst. Sully, sit. Good. Okay, go sniff. Short burst because we only came over here once. I'm going to set him up for success as much as I can. Good boy. Okay, heel. Good job. He's holding a great heel. I mean, they've got one hand on him. Obviously there's no dogs, there's some people, but just gonna keep going. No, heel. He's gonna get a little frustrated. Leave. Good. The leave we're trying to use before his nose hits the ground. Sully, sit. Okay, go sniff. And I'm feeling that when he sniffs a lot more, he's far less reactive. Good boy. Okay, heel. Good boy. This is straight 5 minutes of training here, unedited. We're walking with him next to the grass. Sully, heel. Turning around when he's going ahead. Sully, I'm gonna do a little bit of a tighter turn because I don't like that he's trying to like kind of go in front of me a little bit. Good boy. Oh, that one's sprayed. Come on. Good. Sully, sit. Okay, go sniff. That was a fake sniff. He just wants to keep walking. Come on. Okay, heel. Good boy. Aside from his reactivity, which we're still working on, he is doing a lot better. I'm literally one-handed healing him. Nope. Leave. Nope. Heel. Good. Sit. Nope. Sit. Good boy. Sully, down. Try this. We haven't done this one yet. Down. Good boy. Wait for this cart pass. Okay, go sniff. We have never been in this section, ever, together. He's getting a 6-foot radius. I'm not walking on this one because we haven't been over here. You can see that other dogs have been here. Their feet marks are in the grass. He's scenting out their trails. Good boy. Sit. Yes, good job. Let's see if he'll take some food. No? All right. Good. That's it. That's what we're doing. Okay, this is us also coming down a path that we haven't gone down. We haven't sniffed this section. Nope, leave. Anytime. Sully, heel. He tries to sniff when he's not on a sniff break, he does get a correction and he gets told to leave. I'm trying to do it as his nose is going to hit the ground. Sully, sit. Okay, go sniff. Now he's allowed to go sniff. We've got a dog coming, so we're gonna try and book it. Sully, let's go. Come on, heel. And we're gonna run. Because the dog's coming and we're not ready for that. Come on, leave. Good boy. Leave. Good boy. No reaction. Come on. Good job, buddy. I know, you're done running for today. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. We're just gonna head back. Trying not to spill all our treats. Good, slow. Sit. Down. Nope, down. Yes, good. That was pretty big. He'll get a reward. And he did take some rewards at the corner. Just took him a little bit of standing there. And it took a handful and tossing around a little bit to get him to eat. But we're getting there. Slow progress.